Ever noticed moles on your body and wondered if they meant something? Beyond being mere beauty marks, the location of moles can offer intriguing insights into your personality and life path. Let's explore what a mole in each of these 7 specific areas might signify about you. Number 1. Temple, a sign of adventure. A mole on the temple suggests a life filled with travel opportunities. Whether for work or leisure, it indicates a future, or past, filled with exploration. If travel hasn't been a big part of your life yet, get ready for some exciting changes ahead. Number 2. Between the eyes, career advancement. This spot foretells growth in your professional life. It could be a promotion, a switch to a rewarding career, or a significant achievement in your current path. Essentially, hard work pays off, and patience is key. Number 3. Eyelid or eyebrow, love for home. Moles here highlight your strong connection to family and home. They suggest you're adaptable, sociable, and often take on a leadership role. Embracing change and seeking creative solutions are your forte. Number 4. Upper lip, materialistic tendencies. Located above the upper lip, a mole indicates a tendency towards materialism. However, it also points to your strong social skills and popularity among peers. You're the life of the party and a natural conversationalist. Number 5. Cheekbone, leadership and wealth. A mole on the cheekbone signals potential leadership roles and an increase in wealth. It's a sign of your ability to handle responsibility and guide others towards success. Your confidence and ambition set you apart as a leader. Number 6. Palm of your hand, financial acumen. A mole on your palm suggests you're wise with money management and ambitious in your career. It signifies financial stability and the ability to make sound investment choices. If on the back of your hand, it underscores your knack for managing finances well. Number 7. Sole of your foot, the traveler. This indicates a deep-seated passion for travel and experiencing diverse cultures. Your open-mindedness and likability make you a sought-after companion and advisor. Leadership opportunities may also arise, leveraging your well-rounded perspective. While exploring what moles might signify about your character or destiny, it's crucial to consider their health implications. Multiple moles, especially over 10 on one arm, could signal an increased risk of skin cancer. Regular checks by a dermatologist and vigilant sun protection are advisable to mitigate risks. Did you find the mole predictions accurate? Do you keep an eye on your moles for any changes? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.